Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we'll quickly have a look at how we can install nordVPN on an Android phone. First off, I'm going to go to Google Play Store and search for nordVPN, and then I'm going to install it. So once it's installed, I'm going to click on open, which takes me to the screen. And then it shows you the map. You can zoom out and see where you are in the map. Just click on login and type in your username and password. So once you're logged into the app, you can click on quick connect. So it is now connected to Australia, but let's say I want to connect to another country. I could pick the country. Let's say I want to connect to Japan. I can just say quick connect, and boom, that's connected now to Japan. So I could do that with any country. I could connect to different countries like New Zealand, Australia, even America. So that's how you can use the nordVPN app to connect to any country to access the content for that country. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will see you guys in the next one.